What are leaps? In this video I'm going to share with you guys about leaps for beginners. Leaps stand for long-term equity anticipation security. So they are contracts that are about a year or more out. So leap contracts give buyer the right but not the obligation to buy or sell 100 share of a particular stock or security on a specific date. If we come here and look at the Adobe chart right here with the option section, if you go all the way out to say 2020, 2026, so that would be considered, that would be more of a leap because it's further out. It's about a year. If you go to the March 20th, 2026, about a year. And then if you go even further out, that would be also considered a leap. As you can see, sometimes leap can be more costly as you go further out. As you can see here, there's 450 put leap right here from March 20th, 2026 is about $5,550. Now, if you go to that same, if you go to a closer date, say this year, March 7th, if you go to the 450 put, it will be about a $1,180 right here. The reason why it's more when it's further out is because you have more time, so you're buying more time on your contract. The closer it is, the faster, you know, the faster it could lose value because of theta. If some of you guys know about the option Greek, so theta pretty much like in the Greeks is the time decay. So the more as it gets closer and closer to the date, theta tends to take away from the money, so you lose money the closer it gets to the expiration date. So a strategy that I like to personally do is find companies that are decent companies and they're kind of undervalued, as far as say something happened in the news and for some reason people start selling them. I would do fundamental analysis and technical analysis to make sure that the company is nothing really bad with the company, just that this news came out and some people decide to sell and it's just undervalued. So, for example, when I had bought my $390, one of my contract for the $390 Adobe, option, I paid about $390, and that was more like a leap. And once the company had a turnaround from that news that came out, and I ended up making about $8,100 from that one particular option contract. So the $390 turned into about $8,100. So that's the power of options. So I had more time on the contract, so I didn't have to worry about it expiring anytime soon. If you haven't watched that video, I recommend watching the video. So with that being said, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, for His glory, peace.